Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a white border to an image in Canva using a simple method. First, open Canva and start a new design. You can choose any size you like. Once the canvas opens, go to the left panel and click on Uploads. Upload the image you want to use, then drag it onto the canvas. Click on the image to select it. At the top, click on Edit Image. This will open a panel on the left with editing options. Scroll down until you see the Shadows section. If it's not there right away, wait a few seconds. Under Shadows, click on the Outline effect. Canva will apply the outline to your image. Now, click on the outline again to open its settings. You'll see options for size, transparency, blur, and color. Click on the color box and change it to white. This will give your image a white border. To make the border more visible, adjust the size slider. Move it to the right for a thicker border. Then set the transparency to 0 and blur to 0. This will keep the border solid and clean. Once it looks good, click outside the settings to close the panel. You can now move or resize the image if you want. When you're done, click File in the top left. Choose Download, pick your file type, and click Download again. Now, your image has a clean white border. Thanks for watching.